Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah. In a meadow bright where the wildflowers sway lived 5 little ducks who would frolic and play. With feathers of gold that shimmered in light, they splashed in the pond from morning till night. One day as they quacked in their usual cheer, a curious rustle caught each tiny ear. From behind a tall bush with eyes big and round came a soft little rabbit so shy and profound.
"Hello," said the leader, "a duck named Lou. Come join us for swimming, there's space for you too."
But the rabbit just paused, her heart thumping fast. She worried her presence might break their sweet cast. 5 ducks are so happy, she thought with a sigh. What could I bring to them? I'm just small and shy. Yet Lou waddled closer with kindness aglow. "You're welcome to join us, come on, don't be slow." So timidly hopping on legs made for spring, the rabbit approached them, her heart took to wing. The ducks quacked with laughter, they twirled all around. In an instant of joy, new friendships were found. They splashed through the water and played silly games. With every soft giggle came lessening shames. Each duck took a turn to show off their style. The rabbit just watched but soon joined with a smile. Through ripples of laughter that danced in the sun, she learned that together is better than one. As twilight descended like whispers of dreams, the 5 little ducks wove their friendship in seams. "Oh, thank you," said Rabbit when evening grew late. "You've shown me my worth beyond shadows of fate." Then Lou fluffed his feathers and gave her a grin. "Together we're stronger, let our tale now begin." And thus on that meadow where flowers still bloom, 5 ducks with 1 rabbit dispelled any gloom. With hearts intertwined like roots deep in earth, they forged bonds unbroken, true friendship's true worth. So if ever you wonder how joy can unfold, remember those 5 friends whose story was told. For sometimes it takes just 1 leap into light to transform lonely hearts into friendship so bright. Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.